Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We're out on the road again. I'm actually at Beaulieu now. It's the Spring Autojumble. You know I love this place. It's super early in the morning and my goodness, it has been a week. Sunday I was at the BAFTAs in London and had an amazing time there with Make It at Market. We didn't win, but to be nominated is an amazing achievement for everybody that was involved. That was a brilliant time, going through the red carpet, meeting lots of amazing people. It was really, really good fun and a very late night. Then went down to the repair shop. Was there all week, and then now I've come down, overnighted down here, and so I've actually been in 4 different hotels within a week. So you can imagine my luggage, my suitcases, it's a mess. Lovely guys at Beaulieu have let me come in early, so I'm here at the crack of dawn. They're still setting it all up. If you've never been to Beaulieu Autojumble or an Autojumble, it's imagine like a boot sale with stalls of things for sale, but everything is car related. If you're looking for these weird, obscure, one-off rare parts, this is where you'll find them. We're looking for anything Ranelagh related, but the main hunt is anything Aero. I've sold the bus. The BSA motorbike is still for sale. I'm gathering as many funds as I can. You've seen in the last video, we've started doing the little mini Ranellaghs. They went down really well, and I'm trying to gather as much money as I can together to build this project. Chassis, I think I'm okay with. I think that's sorted, which is a massive achievement. But I'm wondering if there'll be an engine here. Last time I came to the summer Autojumble, we met Ivan, who had a Hall Scott 4-cylinder Aero engine here for sale. We talked to Ivan about it, and I just didn't have the money. Now I've sold the bus. This is real. I want that airplane engine because this project is happening. I'm a little bit early, so some of the stalls are still covered up, but it's a good chance to actually sneak around before there's too many people. You okay? Good morning. Very good. Have a good day. I'm going to have a quick run around now for anything obvious. This is the way to do it. This is my years of boot sale training. Run around first, have a quick look for anything big and obvious, and then I'll come back round for round 2 and probably round 3, knowing me.
Do you want me to bid you for the lot?
Well, yeah, because I can make you an offer for the lot.
Yeah.
A very well-behaved dog, not going for them.
I'll turn me back for a sec. It's just Adam, funny enough.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, that's an answer to a lot of my problems at the moment. That's so funny. You won't believe this, but I made those probably about 10 years ago. They were table centres for an event at the Tower of London. I think in the moat at the Tower of London, there was a massive event and we had to make hundreds of these sort of fairground, sort of circus themed stands with arrows and sign written and painted, and they all lit up as well, back when I did set design. So I had a workshop full of hundreds of those. How they've ended up here is bizarre. I should go and chat to them and let them know what they were for. I bet they've got no idea. Where on earth did you get them from? Do you know?
One of these things you pick up when you go around different fairs and things.
Yeah. You know what? About 10 years ago maybe, I made them.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Memories, eh?
Hundreds of them. Yeah.
I think you did very well.
Well, it was only for an event. They were like very quickly made, yeah, last minute panic.
If I tell you my feelings, if I tell you the truth, would you keep it a secret? Would it die with you? You gotta promise to promise that you never will tell. take it with you to hell. Keep it under your hat and bag up the cat. Keep it under wraps or behind your back.
Have you found your engine yet?
Oh, that's why I'm here. I'm looking for. Have you got one?
No.
Have you seen one here?
No. What are you looking for?
Don't ruin it for me. An old aeroplane engine. To build an Aero special, like an Edwardian.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, I think Ivan was here. There was one here before, basically, that I missed out on.
He sold his one last year.
I know. I was
September.
sitting looking at it and just couldn't afford it. But yeah, hopefully there'll be another one. Word seems to be getting out that I'm looking for an aeroplane engine, which is good. Good. The more people that know, the better. I've had a quick run around and not seen anything yet, but a lot of the stalls were still covered up. And I tried peeping under a few, but I didn't want to. I thought I'd let people. I'm a bit too early. I'll let people unpack a bit. So I think it might be time for a coffee. The opening time here is quite iconic. There's like a mass of people that queue up at the gates and then storm in, and then it just gets like chaos. There'll be a lot of people here.
If I tell you my feelings, if I tell you the truth, would you keep it a secret? And will it die with you? You got the patience to lend me an ear. I'm waiting at the station, so meet me right here. And keep it under your hat and bag up the cat. Keep it under wraps.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Very good.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Good.
Your shows.
Thank you. Glad to hear it. Appreciate it.
Or behind your back. If you know what's best, keep it close to your chest. Let them all just guess. And brother, I'll confess, keep it under your hat. Put the bag of the cat and keep it under wraps or behind your back. If you know what's best, keep it close to your chest.
3 people have told me to go to the beginning of the fair to the right and check out this guy that's got his lifetime's collection of Michelin paraphernalia, signage. So it sounds so intriguing. How long have you been collecting all this stuff?
Since I was 14, so that would be
You're kidding.
60 years, yeah.
Since you were 14?
Yeah.
Why?
I wrote off to Michelin for one of those little men,
Yeah.
and they sent me one. And I was like astounded at being a schoolboy, and I thought, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And then collected them from that day on.
Your whole life, the rest of your life, you've been
Yeah.
collecting it.
We've downsized, and I'm paying storage to keep it, and it makes no sense, you know.
You know what? I guess you've gathered it and collected it all your life.
Yeah.
It's time to pass it on to other
Yeah,
people.
I think somebody that can enjoy it, yeah.
What, my YouTube? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for the inspiration.
You're welcome.
Is this how it's supposed to be? This can't be true. Just getting by is getting to me. Is it getting to you? I don't see you.
Oh, it's not looking good for my Aero engine, sadly. But I don't know why, there seems to be 3 or 4 pedal cars just rubbing it in. That's really nice. This red one is absolutely beautiful. It's all, I mean, it's been repainted, it looks like, but it's really nice and original, really clean. But £3,000. So would have definitely been a better start than what I'm working on. The other red one was £1,500, and the blue one, I can't remember, but it was about similar sort of money. Bearing in mind I'm already £1,000 into my one, and it's in complete wreck. Right, this is round 2. I've been around again, most of it for the second time. Everyone's open now, the show is open. The masses of people have arrived. It's really quite busy. I don't think there's an Aero engine here. I've been around, go around and have a look one last time and have another look around, but sadly, I don't think I'm going to get my engine today. But, oh well, it's been a good day anyway.
But till then, watch the money rolling in, watch it roll out.
No Ranelagh history, no adverts, and no Aero engine. I'll tell you what, the search is real. The search is on. So I need your help, clearly. I can't find one myself. Every time I ask you for some help, you always come through. So here is me asking again. I need a First World War aeroplane engine. Doesn't have to be an aeroplane engine, just needs to be from the First World War, and something massive, whether it's a big radial or something obscure. Somebody must know somebody that has got an engine in their shed. My ideal would be a Hall Scott, like Ivan's got, the 4-cylinder. One of those would be lovely. The Maybach engine, 6-cylinder, like inline 6 that was in the airships, that would be quite nice. I don't really want a Curtis, but I wouldn't say no at this point where I don't have anything. So between you and me, keep this quiet, but I have got the chassis. I've actually secured a chassis, which is really, really exciting. So the next thing I need is an engine. I was hoping to find something here, but it was wishful thinking, I guess. But I will keep looking, and please, anybody out there that knows somebody, start spreading the word. I'm looking for First World War Aero engine. It's happening. We're finally building the Edwardian Special. I'm going to head back to the van, get back to the workshop, and get going with that pedal car after seeing so many nice ones here. I'm feeling inspired. Now the spring, summer is here. We're hopefully going to get out and about a little bit more and do a few more videos like this. I hope you've enjoyed it. Leave me any feedback below. It's always welcome. I'll try and reply to as many of you as I can. But I really hope you've enjoyed the little walk around Beaulieu Autojumble. And if you've enjoyed this, get your tickets for the September one, the big one later in the summer. It's massive. I'll be here, hopefully with Dan. And yeah, amazing. Well, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.